Ever felt like your paycheck is playing hide and seek? It landed in QuickBooks Online, but where exactly did it vanish to? You're not alone. We're all busy, right? Running our businesses, juggling a million tasks, and then suddenly you need to double-check that payroll. Was it right? Did that overtime get calculated? Or maybe you just need a copy for your records. It's a simple request, really. Just find the paycheck. But in the vast landscape of QuickBooks Online, it can feel like searching for a needle in a digital haystack. Look, let's be honest. Payroll, while essential, can feel like a bit of a black box sometimes. You punch in the numbers, click process, and trust that everything is working behind the scenes. But what if you need to peek behind that curtain? What if you need to see the actual paycheck, the breakdown, the details? Maybe you're an employee wanting to verify your earnings, or maybe you're a business owner needing to ensure accuracy. Either way, you're looking for clarity. All right, let's get straight to it. We're going to dive into QuickBooks Online and show you exactly how to view those payroll checks. No more guessing, no more frustration. Just clear, step-by-step instructions. First things first, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you have the necessary permissions. If you're an employee, you might have limited access, and if you're an admin, you'll have full control. This is important to note because visibility can depend on your user role. Once you're logged in, look for the Payroll tab on the left-hand navigation menu. Click on it. This is your Payroll Command Center. Here, you'll see a variety of options, from running payroll to managing employees. Now, here's where things get interesting. To view past paychecks, you'll want to navigate to the Employees or Reports section, depending on what you are trying to do. If you are an employee, your company may have granted you access to view your paychecks through the employee portal. If you are an owner or admin, then the Reports section will be your best option. Let's assume you are an admin or owner. Click on the Reports tab. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the reports available in QuickBooks Online. Now, don't be overwhelmed by the sheer number of options. We're looking for specific payroll reports. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find what we need. Type in payroll or paycheck list. You should see a few relevant reports pop up. The most useful one for our purpose is likely titled Payroll Summary, Payroll Details, or something similar. The exact name might vary slightly depending on your QuickBooks Online version, but the essence is the same. Click on the report. This will generate a list of all payroll transactions. Now, this is where you can start to see those paychecks, but it might not be in the exact format you're looking for yet. You'll likely see columns like employee name, check date, gross pay, net pay, and various deductions. This is a good overview, but to see the detailed paycheck, you'll need to dig a little deeper. QuickBooks Online allows you to customize reports. Look for a Customize or Filter button. Click on it. This will open a panel where you can specify the date range, employees, and other criteria. Let's say you're looking for a paycheck from a specific date range. Set the date range filter accordingly. You can also filter by employee name if you're looking for a specific person's paycheck. Once you've filtered the report, you'll see a refined list of payroll transactions. Now, to view the actual paycheck, look for a check number or a transaction number column. Click on the link associated with the paycheck you want to view. This will open a detailed view of the paycheck. Here, you'll see the employee's name, address, pay period, gross pay, net pay, all deductions, and any other relevant information. This is the complete breakdown you were looking for. If you need a physical copy, look for a print or download button. You can print the paycheck directly or download it as a PDF for your records. Now, let's briefly touch on how employees might view their paychecks. If your company has set up the employee portal, employees can log in and view their paychecks directly. This is typically done through a separate login link provided by your employer. Once logged in, employees can navigate to the Paychecks or Pay Stubs section. Here, they'll find a list of their past paychecks, which they can view, print, or download. So there you have it. You've now seen how to view payroll checks in QuickBooks Online, both from an administrative perspective and from an employee's point of view. It's all about knowing where to look and how to use the available tools. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.